Hi friends, here we are taking this new wedding arch out of the box. As you can see, it comes with this manual that specifies how many parts it has, and as we can see, it's one bent tube, two number 2s straight tubes, another two straight tubes but with number 3, and two bases. As you can see, this manual tells us how to do this arc, and it's very easy, so let's get to do it. So we're gonna take the number 3 tubes, like this one right here, and put them on the bases. So we take the tube and stick him like this, and we press this little butt so it stays secured. And now, after that, we're gonna take the number 2 tubes, like this one, and put them above them. So, let's go. It's very simple, as same as the number 3 tubes. You just put them and press a little knob right here, and it's ready. Now, we're gonna put this bent tube up above them, so it's finished. Okay, so the bent tube is a little bit different than the other two kinds of tube because it just has entrances. So you press this button from the number 2 tubes and it enters like that, but we gotta make sure that both of them are ready. So we press also this one, and it's done. This is how it looks all set up. As you can see, it's quite tall. It's taller than me. You can use it like any event, like weddings, birthdays, and stuff like that. It's very easy to use. It's very manageable, and it's very easy to take it out like that. So I recommend it. Hope you like this.